Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best stainless steel appliance cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner and Amp Polish Kit. Made with plant-based ingredients and essential oils, this stainless steel cleaner kit still packs a powerful cleaning punch. The scent and cleaning power come from coconut oil, which cleans and polishes. Lavender essential oil adds another natural scent to the formula. For cleaning food preparation areas, the safe ingredient list is a major perk. This is a more expensive option than some others on our list, but you can buy it in larger quantities for better savings. Remember that with most spray cleaners, you will need a cloth to buff the surface. Therapy recommends a microfiber cloth for best results. Remove streaks, smudges, and residue while leaving behind a brilliant finish that makes your appliances look like new again. Solvent-free formulation is safe for you and your family. Safe pH-neutral cleaning formula that works on stainless steel surfaces including appliances, grills, sinks, refrigerators, microwaves, stoves, range hoods, trash cans, and more. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner Spray. Grills often require heavy-duty cleaning, but you still want them to remain safe for food prep areas. This cleaner does just that. This spray destroys cooked food on the interior grates and builds up dirt from the grill's exterior. This choice also has a degreaser, which is perfect for cleaning up food spills. It can be used on most standard grills, which Gone goes into detail about in its instruction manual. This isn't safe for faux stainless steel or aluminum. It's important to know what type of surface you need to clean. If you are in doubt, try a small section with this cleaner before using it on your entire grill surface. It works caked on food, baked on deposits, carbon and grease, and does not use aluminum or faux stainless steel. Safe for use on metals, cooking grates/racks, drip pans, Weber, Traeger, Kamadou, Sabre and char-broil grill interiors/exteriors. Number 3. Our third best pick is Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaning Wipes. Our top pick, this type stainless steel cleaner, also comes in wipes. These convenient wipes clean and polish, just like the spray. They also add a protective layer to keep future fingerprints and grease from accumulating. The wipe application method makes this cleaner easy to use on things like refrigerator handles, which is a common place in the kitchen that needs special attention. Each container includes 30 wipes, making it convenient but not the best value. One wipe can carry you through cleaning multiple appliances if they aren't too dirty. For a better value, consider purchasing these in bulk. You can also purchase a combination kit that includes the wipes for convenience and the spray for long-term use. A pH-neutral formula quickly cleans, shines, and protects any stainless steel surface. This product works great for black stainless steel. Polish leaves a protective barrier that repels dirt and dust. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Amp Polish Trigger Spray. This top-rated cleaner sprays easily to clean off everything on your stainless steel surfaces, from fingerprints on the refrigerator to stuck on food in your sink. This stainless steel cleaner is safe to use on kitchen appliances, such as dishwashers and ovens. You can also use it on smaller items like silverware and cookware. The versatility of this Weiman cleaner sets it apart from other options on the market. Using Weiman stainless steel cleaner goes beyond just getting your items clean. It adds a protective coating to your appliances to keep fingerprints and dirt from finding their way back onto your shiny appliances. It is also effective against grease, a common kitchen culprit that not only looks dingy but can create other problems for your home. The finish is both protective and streak-free, so it will keep your items sparkling for a long time. This is a budget-friendly option but doesn't come in a large quantity. While a little bit goes a long way, if you know that you'll be cleaning a lot of stainless steel items often, we recommend buying in bulk. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Barkeeper's Friend Superior Cookware Cleanser and Amp Polish. It is a favorite among home chefs and professionals alike. This convenient powder cleaner can be applied directly to stainless steel cookware and scrubbed away to reveal a sparkling clean finish. It includes a cleaner and degreaser, making it our top choice for cookware. Even if your items have been cleaned with regular dishwashing detergent, try Barkeeper's Friend Cookware Polish and see what clean really looks like. This cleaner can be used on a variety of cookware, not just stainless steel. It is safe for glass cookware, grills, and sinks. It also tackles rust stains, lime deposits, and baked-on grease. You will need a sink and sponge or cloth to use this cleaner. It is the best option for cookware but is hard to apply to appliances and larger items. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.